Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited for today because I've always wanted to do this, but I didn't know how to go about it, which is to make my own not Skillshare classes. Oh my goodness, my own color pages. Um, I'm very excited about this because I wanted to have like a project where I could go to create coloring pages on my iPad and print them out and color them so I could have traditional and digital mixed together. So I was like all for it and really excited. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going to film my iPad screen and you'll see me create uh, this coloring page right here. And it's on my Instagram right now. And so go look for it. You can download it. I give you permission to color it. It does have my name, but I made it really small. So that way you guys can still color it and not be overwhelmed by my name on the print. Just print it out. You have my permission. Just, you know. And tag me on Instagram. What should be the tag? I'll come up with something by the end of the video. But, so this is the page I colored. I just wanted to have a sample for you guys. Of course, it's a unicorn for this one. And you'll also get to see my process, how I go about with line art and sketching and Procreate. Now, it does take me a while to make these, which is good because I've always wanted a project like that. So, here is the coloring page, completed. So, this one I'm going to be coloring for you guys in today's video. So, I learned how to do this by Skillshare, not sponsored, but Skillshare is amazing and definitely my go-to for learning new skills. Yeah, so I'm going to be coloring for you for this in today's video. So I'm really excited for that. So further ado, let's get on with the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell so you won't miss a video. I post every day, or at least try to, and we're going to go ahead and color this. It's going to be on speed, so relax. If you want, you can download these coloring pages on my Instagram, and or you can take a screenshot or whatever, and you can color along with me. Kind of having a color along party. So yeah, let's color together. Kind of like a color with me. I don't know. I'm gonna title this video "How to Make Coloring Pages" in Procreate, and you can also do this traditionally as well. You just need pencils and you need a very good fineliner. I would say microns work best for it. Cardstock paper if you're using markers. So yeah, I'm just using printer paper and printing it on my printer. You won't see that part because it will make too long of a video, but this is just how to create the pages. Maybe I could do a part 2 how to print it later on, but this is just the video for today. So I'm going to show you how I color, and with this I'm going to be using these tools right here, supplies right here, so like pop pens, markers, etc, etc. So, anyway, I'm really excited able to do this now because it can be a relaxing and satisfying video for you guys. So, and I just want to clarify a little bit before I get on with the video. Sorry that there wasn't any audio in yesterday's video. I didn't know that. When I posted it, I should have checked the video itself, and I realized that my volume was down on my computer because of the AirPods plugged in, and I didn't realize that. So, sorry about that. Hopefully this video makes up for it. So yeah, finally get on with the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video, part of the speed drawing part, where I actually do the speed drawing. Now, I'm really excited that I'm able to do this video for you guys, and It's just really, really exciting for me. So it's on 4 times speed than usual because it would take too long. It would be like around 30 minutes of a video for you guys, but I thought I'd keep it short and sweet for you, and I hope you guys enjoy the coloring process, or well, this line art process. Basically, I like to use line art for the inking and Procreate. So I usually have a layer for the sketch and then a layer for the line art. So that's how I do it. Procreate. I really don't have much else to say, but Skillshare is awesome. That's how I learned how to do this, and it's so satisfying seeing your whole page colored at the end. And stick to the end of the video where you see the final coloring of the pages. I do it traditionally, and it's a lot of fun. I had fun doing it, and it's just, I don't know, I feel more creative when I do these coloring pages. And it's all kinds of patterns, and I did a unicorn for this one, and you guys can find my coloring pages on Instagram, email Anna08. Definitely tag me on the coloring pages. We can put Anna's drawing channel. Tag me on that, which is the hashtag for it. So, and I can definitely look it up, or just, it'll be a lot of fun seeing you guys work, and for you guys to color these pages. That'll be a lot of fun to see. I really don't have much else to say here because it's the line art process. Sorry, I could only see half of the screen. But I was doing mainly details of the body, and yeah, so these coloring pages take a while. I would sell these, but I don't want to. I want to at least do one per month. Maybe February could be a theme of heart. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video. So for this one, I'm doing the coloring process of the coloring pages I created in Procreate, and I cut myself off. I was just saying thank you guys for watching, and I didn't realize it would have came to this clip. So anyway, so I'm coloring here of the video of the coloring pages, so I hope you guys enjoy the process. I'm going to put music on the rest of it because it's just me coloring. I really don't have much else to say, but what I was saying, I probably will do one of these per month. I'm thinking that that might be challenging myself this year to create coloring pages. Last year's theme was drawing challenges, and I want to try something new. I want to try something creative. So that's going to be this year's theme, and coloring pages. So I'm really excited. It took me a while to create, but I had a lot of fun. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell so you won't miss a video, and don't forget to watch the videos at the end of the video. And thank you for watching, and I'll speed color this part. I probably won't finish the whole thing in today's video, only because it will take a while to color. So hope you guys understand, and thank you for watching. The coloring pages will be at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. You can also find these on my Instagram, email Anna08. Tag me in the drawing channel, and I'll be looking up the hashtags to see if anybody will color them, or tag me on Instagram, email Anna08. Couple hashtags there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to this part of the video where we do the outro. So here's the coloring page finished. I'm really excited, and if you guys want to go to my Instagram, if you're new to my channel, it's email Anna08. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video, but you stuck this long through the video, so these are the coloring pages done. I've already colored this beforehand, before I filmed. So here is a more detailed. Here's a more simpler one. For this one right here, I'm really excited about both of them. But if you guys want to color these, I'm thinking about doing a coloring page themed year, like making coloring pages throughout the year. Last year theme was drawing challenges, and I kind of want to do coloring pages this year. So I'm thinking of doing coloring pages like maybe 2 or 3 per month, or maybe once a month, because these take a while to make, depending how detailed they are and how complicated. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and if you want to see other videos, click on there, and if you want to see more videos, click up there. And there's some in the iCard as well, so make sure to go check the videos at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a marvelous day, or a great day, and thank you for watching. This long video might be a long video, but anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time, but don't forget to watch the other videos at the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Bye guys.